Welcome to today's edition of Daily Market Rundown, where we break down the top financial headlines shaping the Indian economy and the global world. So, in today's session, we'll be covering why global investors are eyeing India's manufacturing sector, a fresh GDP growth outlook from ICRA, protein e-gobs, massive stock crash, and historic downgrade of US credit rating by Moody's. Let's dive in. According to a recent study by S&P Global India Research, India is rapidly becoming an attractive global manufacturing hub and shifting trade dynamics and evolving supply chain with their strategies. Manufacturing currently contributes about 17.2% of India's total GDP, a modest figure compared to the global peers, but one of the strong upside potential. Several factors are fueling this momentum, like India's moderate trade dependence provides insulation from volatile global disruptions, government-led production-linked incentive, that is the PLI scheme, and infrastructure upgrades are reducing the import reliance, and diverse manufacturing base from textiles to electronics ensures the resilience against the global headwinds. Moreover, high-frequency PMI data indicates that India's manufacturing sector is outperforming in many global economies despite the prevailing trade protectionism. However, despite this manufacturing upswing, broader economic growth may be under pressure. ICRA has lowered its GDP forecast to FY25 to 6.3%, a downgraded revision from the 6.5% previously projected by the National Statistical Office, that is the NSO. For Q4 FY25, the agency expects the growth at 6.9%, which falls short of the 7.6% needed to meet the NSO's full year target. Now, the key concerns dragging this growth could include the weak merchandise exports during the March quarter and uneven private consumption, partially due to the ongoing tariff-related uncertainties. On a brighter note, services exports remain strong, recording double-digit growth. ICRA's chief economist Aditi Nair noted that unless the prior quarter's data are revised upward significantly, India may not meet its full-year GDP expectation. Final figures are set to be released soon on May 31st. In the equity markets, Protein eGov Technologies Limited witnessed a sharp sell-off with its share crashing 20% and hitting the lower circuit at Rs 1,143, marking its worst trading session since its listing in November 2023. This steep decline was triggered by the company's failure to secure the PAN 2.0 project, which is a key government e-governance contract widely expected to boost the revenues. The loss of this bid significantly dampened investor sentiment as the project was seen as a major growth driver. So far in 2025, Protein stock has tumbled 41%, vastly underperforming the BSE Sensex 5.3% decline. Further compounding investor concerns, the company's Q3 FY25 net profit declined by 18.2%, coming to Rs 22.93 crores. Revenue slipped 7.9%, coming to Rs 202 crores, and profit before tax fell 24%, pointing to the margin pressures. Despite the company's assurance that the impact is minimal, the market reaction indicates the otherwise. Adding to the global economic jitters, Moody's has downgraded the US credit rating from AAA to AA1, marking the first time in over a century that all the three major rating agencies no longer classify US as a top-tier credit risk. The downgrade reflects serious concerns about America's fiscal trajectory, with the federal debt rising continuously for more than a decade. Moody's cited surging interest payment, mounting costs for entitlement programs like Social Security and Medicare, and projected 9% federal deficit as a percentage of GDP by 2035, up from 6.4% in 2024. Additionally, the potential extension of Trump-era tax cuts could widen the deficit by another $4 trillion over the next 10 years. Although the Moody's acknowledged the strength and size of US economy, the downgrade serves as a warning about the long-term fiscal sustainability, especially as Donald Trump returns to White House with indications of further tax cuts. So that's a wrap of today's daily market rundown. From India's rising manufacturing strength and ICRA's cautious GDP outlook to Protein's eGov's stock tumble and Moody's historic US credit downgrades, today's developments span economic optimism, corporate setbacks, and global fiscal warnings. Stay tuned for more sharp and conscious updates to keep you informed on everything that shapes the market locally or globally.